Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm on the move once again, and today I'm out here camping with my daughter Abigail, and I'd like to show you how to make a fun and quick steak and potato foil pack. They're real simple to do and quite easy. So let's go back to a clip to my house where I was preparing the food. Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen, and let me show you the ingredients that we're using today. Okay, so here are the seasonings that I was using. I was keeping it very simple. Some basic salt and pepper. Use this seasoning called roasted garlic and herb made by McCormick, and use some olive oil. Okay, so let's prepare this. Okay, as you can see, I've already prepped my food items. I've got the steak here that I've cut up, and I've got just have some salt and pepper on there and a little bit of olive oil. And here I cut up some red potatoes and put some olive oil on them and put that McCormick seasoning on it. Then over here I had chopped up some onions the other day, and who doesn't like onions with their steak, so that's going to be for me. And let's put this together. Alright, as a side note, I wanted to just tell you about the tin foil. It's very important to get a decent kind, not the cheap stuff. Cheap stuff's going to break, it's going to rip. You want to have the good tin foil, the heavy duty, because there's nothing protecting your food from the fire, because it's just this and the coals on the fire, so you're really going to want something strong. And as you can see here, I'm kind of doubling it, so I'm good to go. Let's do this. Okay, now you're ready for the fire. Okay, so I have the fire how I'd like to have it right now. And you see all these coals right here. They're super hot, and that's where you want to place your foil pack. Okay, so it's been about 6 minutes, so I'm going to flip it over. And when you're flipping it, you want to make sure you're using tongs, not something like a stick. Don't use sticky to do this. It's pretty dangerous and very hot. And you want to be very careful while you're doing this. Okay. Okay, so now that it's done, I'm going to take it out very carefully. I'm just going to set it right here for a few minutes because this thing is hot. If you bring this over to the table, try to open it up, whew, you can get burned, get a steam burn. So let's just sit it there for about a minute and then we'll bring it to the table. Okay, so let's bring it over to the table. Okay everybody, here's the reveal. Here's the steak and potatoes with onions. The potatoes look nice and soft. Abigail, you want to get yourself a fork here? Try them. Boy, I got a big piece of steak here. Very good, tasty, easy to cook meal. Very good. Alright friends, well that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick little how-to, and I hope you get out camping soon, and I hope you get out hiking soon. Well, I'll see you out there in the woods, and remember to be excellent to each other. Bye-bye. Take care.